Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Luciana Rahmatiani from Indonesian University of Education. Now, I will present about my research with the title Establishment of Student Social Skill Based on 21st Century Competence in the Pandemic Era. Okay, I will start the presentation from introduction. The reality of the pandemic era condition in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is characterized by the ease of technology, requires students to have quality abilities to be able to master technology, which must also be equipped with social naturalness. Construction in the effort of Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) requires social skill in various fields of life. The existence of students as the nation's young generation is greatly influenced by education. Education has an important role in shaping social skill through the cultivation of life values for students in school institutions. Literature review. Conception of social skill. Social skills are behavior related to self-appearance that give rise to various aspects of intelligence, which include three domains, namely the cognitive realm, the affective realm, and the psychomotor realm. This is because social skills become an accumulation of various self-intelligence. Conception of 21st Century Competence. Trilling and Fadel 2009 revealed several competences that should be possessed by humans as an increase in human resource in the 21st century. 21st century skills, which are divided into three skills, namely 1. The ability to have learning and innovation skill. Learning and innovation skill. 2. Ability to have skill in technology and study information media, and technology skill. 3. The ability to have survival skill and a career, work, life, and career skill. And the method. The research design used in this study use qualitative research using a qualitative descriptive approach. Research use qualitative research technique with data collection, technique used in the form of observation, interview, and documentation. Result and discussion. The process of learning activity in the formation of social skills of 21st century competency-based students in the pandemic era use learning activity with the focal point of learning challenge. Challenge learning is very evocative of student learning motivation in the pandemic era when returning to the process of learning activity at school, with challenge learning reflected in the formation of social skill of 21st century competency-based students that arise during the learning process with mutual respect, good teamwork, mutual support, and mutual assistance in completing learning challenge given by teacher. Challenge learning is an option in shaping student social skills that provide a clear picture in bringing out 21st century competence in school studies in the pandemic era. Conclusion. The formation of student social skills in the pandemic era in the learning process, one of which is by using the challenge learning method provided by the teacher in the treatment of the learning process, so that it can be illustrated. The process of forming student social skills slowly can be formed through the challenge learning method, which strongly reflects the existence of 21st century competence that clearly appear in student learning process activities in the pandemic era, including the attitude of helping each other. There is good collaboration between students, mutual expectation being led to critically and also the existence of creativity in the learning process. The formation of student social skills is needed in a new era so that students are able to survive by having social skills that forgive themselves for provision in the future. Okay, thank you for your attention. Hope it's useful.